'cause I'm a boss.
Hey Boss Gang, it's your girl Chocolate Barbie and welcome to Boss With Me, our second episode. Today I am unboxing the Cricut Explorer Air 2 machine, y'all, and I am so excited because I finally got this machine. So these are a few of the products that comes with it. It's some fine point pen set, also of some basic tool set, as well as a Cricut vinyl and iron-on combo pack. So also when you open it up, you'll find the Cricut mat. It's sticky on top, and that's what you will use to insert inside of your Cricut machine. And also you'll get a Let's Get Started packet as well. That'll show you all of the instructions on how to get, set your machine up, and how the machine works and all of that good stuff. I really like the way that they did these cards. It's kind of like flashcards, so I love the way that this is, and it basically just has each step, on how to get started and get everything going.
Lip gloss.
So let's just take a closer look at the machine. These are all of the dials here. You have different things from paper to vinyl to iron-on to cardstock, bonded fabric, all types of things that you can do with this machine. And y'all, I have so much to do with this machine. I will be doing a few videos on the things that I will be doing with this machine as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned.
Right.
And also, these are the power cords and things like that. So we'll be hooking and setting up all of that later on in the video.
Is this shit focused?
So if you guys are new, I just do want to say welcome to my channel. I am so happy to have you, and I would love for you guys to become a part of the Boss Gang. So if you guys love this video and if you're liking the things that you're seeing, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video as well. If you are back, welcome back, and yeah, I'm just so glad to be showing you guys about this machine. So right here, I'm just setting up the machine, setting up a Cricut ID and things like that, putting in the power cord and all of that good stuff. And my baby, he was so helpful. He helps me set up everything. I'm so grateful for him, you guys. He is like the most helpful man ever, and I just love him for that.
Thank you, baby. And then,
so now we're just gonna open up the machine. That's how you open it up. It just opens so beautifully, you guys. I'm so in love with this machine. So the next thing we're basically about to do is just do a test cut. It's all in the instructions that comes with it. These are a few compartments inside of the machine as well. I'm assuming you can store things inside of those compartments. But yeah, we're gonna do a test cut really quick, and that's coming.
I don't really know. Now we're back. Confirm the blade is set in place in clamp B. This clamp B, gotta take that out. And make sure the blade is set in place. Test cut complete. Look.
Next. Press the unload button. That's it. Remove cut image and parts from
So I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in today, watching me unbox this Cricut Explorer Air 2 machine. Like I said before, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and that you go ahead and subscribe, you guys, because this is a new channel and I do need the subscribers. So I would really appreciate if you guys love the content, that you guys support me as much as you can. Until next time, you guys, peace and love.